Hello kids, today we are going to read about living things and non-living things. So, in this chapter, we will read about natural and man-made things, living and non-living things, and the most important characteristics of living things. Natural things. Natural things occur naturally. For example, sun, cloud, star, moon, tree, human, animal. All these things are occur naturally. Natural things are of two types, living things and non-living things. Example of living things are animal, trees, plant and human beings. Example of non-living things are cloud, moon, mountain and sun. Man-made things. Things made by man are called man-made things or artificial things. For example, book, pen, furniture, vehicle, etc. Living things. It is a type of natural thing. Living things need food to grow. Also they can reproduce, breathe, talk, move, feel. But non-living things cannot do such. Non-living things. Non-living things are another type of natural thing. Non-living things cannot do any activity like living thing. Means they cannot grow, reproduce, feel, move by their own. For example, cloud, sun, star. It also include man-made things. Characteristic of living things. The first characteristic of living thing is living things need food. Second one, living things breathe. Third, living things reproduce. Fourth, living things grow. Fifth, living things move. And last but not the least, that is living things feel. Living things need food. All living things need food to live. Food gives energy to grow and work. It also helps us to stay healthy and strong. There are so many types of food. Some of them are like energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Non-living things do not need food. Next characteristic of living thing is living things breathe. Living things need air to breathe. Living things breathe in oxygen from air and breathe out carbon dioxide. Animals breathe through nose. Aquatic animals breathe through gills. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen through stomata. Stomata helps in exchange of gases. Insect and butterfly breathe through air hole called spiracle. Non-living things cannot breathe. Living things reproduce. Living things can reproduce young ones or kid like them. Human and animals give birth to their child, but bird and insect lay eggs. For example, deer gave birth, rabbit gave birth, but birds, tortoise, crocodile, they lay eggs. Plants reproduce from seeds. A seed grows into a new plant. For example, mango, wheat, rice, apple, etc. But non-living things cannot reproduce. Living things grow. All living things grow and change with time. Like baby animals grows into adult, a calf changes and grows into a cow, or a chick comes out from an egg and then grows into hen or rooster. A seed grows into a plant, buds grow into flower and flower grows into fruit, and fruit produces seed. But non-living things cannot grow. Next characteristic of living thing is living things can move. Living things can move from one place to another in the search of food, shelter, mates, and to escape from predators. Different animals use different body parts for movement. For example, human and animals use feet, snake and earthworm use body muscles, birds and insects wings and legs. But plants don't move because they make their food by photosynthesis without moving. Some plants' leaves and flowers shows movement. For example, leaves of touch-me-not fold when touched. But non-living things cannot move by their own. Next characteristic of living thing is living things feel. Humans and animals have sense organs like nose, ear, skin, eyes and tongue to feel. Plants also grow towards sunlight. Sunflower always bloom towards sunlight and touch-me-not plant always shows sensitivity for touch. Root of plants always grow downward and shoot upwards. But non-living things cannot feel. Now, the differences between living and non-living things. Living things need food to live, but non-living things do not need food to live. Living things need air to breathe, but there is no need of air for non-living things. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. Living things grows, non-living things does not grow. Living things move, non-living things cannot move by their own. Living things feel, non-living things cannot feel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.